Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you an update on the Yardman gas station in downtown Kingston. The road you're looking at is Marcus Garvey Drive, and the gas station is located at the intersection of Marcus Garvey Drive and Harbor Street. So it's the gas part, the pumps, basically the part you're looking at is finished, where you can buy the gas, but the convenience store and the shops that are being built there are still under construction. So we're going to give you an update to show you how far they've reached and to show you the section that's finished. This Marcus Garvey Drive is a very busy road. Takes you from Spanish Town Road into downtown Kingston. And there's another Yardman gas station up in Junction in St. Elizabeth. That station wasn't built from scratch. It was rebranded. I think it was a Shell gas station there. And then they just rebranded it as Yardman. But this one was built from the ground up. And we actually have videos up of when the station was under construction. So we'll show you what it looks like now that the pumps are finished. But as you'll see in a little bit, the store section or the convenience store part is still under construction. But you can come here and buy gas. Okay, so this is a section straight ahead that's still under construction, but it should be finished soon. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any comments, leave them in the section below. Let us know what you think about this gas station. And remember, we give you update videos every 2 weeks on all the major developments and every month for the smaller developments. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. And also, if you have a video you want us to make, if you want us to take a tour of somewhere, just leave a comment in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Have a good day. Yeah.